following is a freeze watch for the following counties in Missouri, Benton, and St. Clair. Sub-freezing temperatures as low as 26 possible. The areas affected include